نعم ماما. Hello everyone. So, before we start, like always, nothing you see here is a financial advice. I'm just sharing how I trade the markets in the real time. You are, of course, responsible for your own decision. Please let me know if the sound is good and also if everything looks good on my end. And yeah. Today we are doing good in terms of, we had so many trades from yesterday close, so we are today at I think 10,000 or something. This web terminal doesn't show the daily profit, so I will show you on my phone. Give me a second. Yeah, so we have 3,000 opened. Let me quickly switch this. And yeah, Shane, how are you, brother? So we are at 3,000 for the open PNL. We are at 11 this morning. Yeah, and this is of course my account. So yeah, today is looking very good. And yeah, let's go and give you an update about the open trades and everything. So for the AUD CAD, we entered this trade yesterday or the day before. Yeah, I'm good too, thank you so much. And yeah, for the AUD NZD also we had the TP1 hit this morning. Let me show you. For the AUD NZD, this one, so the stop loss is already at break even right now. AUD USD, we are still in drawdown. Yeah, so we need to wait for for the price either to touch our stop loss or go into profits. For the CAD CHF also we are still in drawdown. And yeah, for the Euro AUD also is still at entry, nothing happened yet. For the Euro CAD we are still in profit. Look at this entry, it was very nice. And for the Euro USD we are also in profits. For the GBP CAD we are still in profits too. For the GBPJPY, we had an amazing trade I shared on the free Telegram channel. It's the first link in the description. So an amazing trade, took I think 2 days or something. Yeah, did go straight into full TP hit. And yeah, for the NZD CAD we are also still in profits. Look at this entry. This entry is amazing. And yeah, for the USDJPY I also shared this one on the Telegram channel, which is the first link in the description. We touched the TP1, I can show you here it is. So the stop loss is at break even, and yeah, we are continuing right in this trade. For the USD CAD also we touched the TP1, stop loss to the entry. USD CAD, here it is. And the last one is for the USDJPY. Yeah, full TP hit this morning. So, and the account I think is at 3,000 or yeah, almost 3,000 open PNL. Although we have some drawdown here at the USD and CAD-CHF, but we are in profits of course. So let's take a look and see what's happening today in the markets, and if there is a trade that we can take together live, or just me alone of course. So yeah, I was interested in the trading the AUD/JPY, but I was already in the GBPJPY, NZD/JPY, and USD/JPY. So yeah, I missed this trade, but no problem. Also the CAD/JPY, missed this one, no problem. Also missed this one. For the Euro CHF, yeah, no trade for me. For the Euro GPY, look at this price action, is looking beautiful. And yeah, let me delete quickly this alert. For the Euro NZD, yeah, we missed an entry here, I believe yesterday at midnight, but no problem. Also for the GBPUSD, still doing nothing. And GBP we are already in. For the GBP CHF, we will not enter. For the GBP NZD, price already took off. For the GBPUSD, let me see if we can take a trade right here, and stop loss looks good. We are in an uptrend, and we'll be targeting my TP like always, the 270 pips stop loss. Let's see if this EMA, this green one, can hold the price, or at worst case scenario is to have the price goes down to the daily EMA, then react. Let me see. Today we have some news. It's not too too important, to be honest. It can influence the price a bit, but yeah, the problem is if we were here, for example, I will take a trade, but here plus this news, plus I think in Monday we have other news, I will need to think about it. Let me quickly remove all of these ones, and yeah, to come back and think about it, because yeah, the best thing that you can do is look at a chart, and not buy or sell or enter a trade. You look into a chart, it looks interested, give it some time, go see other charts and come back, then you will decide if you can go or not. So for everyone watching, make sure to like the live stream, and also subscribe. Make sure to ask questions if you have ones. Or the NZD/USD doesn't look that good, to be honest. For the USD/CHF also. For gold, it's ranging since almost 3 days now. Let me see. Gold stopped trending for the last three days. Price reacted to this key level right here with this candle. Let's see if the stop loss will be under this key level. A trade like this will look amazing on gold, to be honest, but yeah, I will come back to it again, like I told you. There's a question from Shane, let me check it. So Shane, can I ask why you choose to have TP2? I found that these are the best TP levels that I can take, but for the TP2 140 is a bit far, but for the TP3 you can target 210 pips. If the price move 200 pips, it can move 210 pips. There is no huge difference between 200 and 210. but for with TP, yeah, but for the TP2, yeah, the difference is 40% between the 100 and 140. That's why, yeah, I choose these numbers, to be honest. Let's check BTC. Still, yeah, a sell on BTC looks good here, to be honest. If you want, we can take it just for fun. So let me see. And if we do this, this, a trade like this looks good on BTC, not gonna lie. What do you think? Should we take it? We'll go back to it once I see the other charts. So for Solana, I think it will be the same like the BTC. For Nasdaq, nothing interesting here. Also with, yeah, it can be looking for shorts, but yeah, since you guys yeah, don't prefer to trade indices, I think I will go into this BTC trade just for fun. And please do not copy trade me. This is for entertainment purposes only. And yeah, I will go into this trade. Let me see. So the price is 88. Let me see. 88,003 on my broker. So there is some difference between yeah, this Bitstamp and my broker. So I will put my entry 88,034 034, and yeah, the first CP will be the first CP will be 87,734, 87,734. Stop loss will be 88,734. This is CP1. The CP2 will be 87,034 and 88,734, and the third TP will be, I think this will look good. The third TP will be, yeah, 86,034, 88,734, and yeah, 86,034. So I entered this one, and yeah, let me get the TP levels. So the first CP is at 87,734. like this. The second will be 87034 034, and the third one will be like this, 34, I believe. You see, is 6034. So this how the trade is looking. Please let me know if you have any questions. And Mm-hmm. $14, 1.4. So the stop loss is at 88. $734, TP 87, 86034. So we are in BTC. I didn't share that in the premium, to be honest, and the trade is looking something like this. For the BTC, here is the position. Yeah, 3 trade, one for the TP1, the second for the TP2, and the third is for the TP3. And yeah, let's see. Shane, I think too, Shane is asking me how long did it take to me to become profitable. I think 1.5 to 2 to even yeah, considerably to 2.5 years, to be honest. So yesterday I think I was late a bit. Yeah, you were already gone, Shane. And today I'm streaming, I think, in the same time I'm streaming every day. So I hope you guys yeah, like this time that I'm streaming in it today. I would not trade gold. Not so much volume, to be honest. So, and I already entered this BTC trade. Let's keep watching it. So everyone, make sure to keep asking questions, and if you want, yeah, if you want to look, if we want me to look into a chart or something, just let me know. So we are in this now, in this BTC trade, yeah, this last 7 days, I think, or don't know which time is counted right here, but we are, yeah, pretty profitable, to be honest. Hi Rudy, how are you doing? So it's Friday. It's yeah, the good thing about the BTC is this trade will stay, yeah, moving the whole weekend, because the, yeah, BTC doesn't stop, never. Yeah, I'm good, thank you. So what do you want to see today in this live stream? Even though I think this trade will take some time, to be honest, but yeah, let's see. How much did it took for me to grow my capital? Yeah, like I said, so to start seeing profitability, I think it was 1.5 year, and yeah, after that, I yeah I started growing my capital steadily. Yeah, I even did the prop firm route, and also had some early investors on me invest invest in an account, and I manage it for them. But now I don't do that anymore, so I'm just trading my account, to be honest. Yeah. Do you guys hear music, or should I make it a bit louder? No, I can't do that, to be honest. I don't manage accounts anymore, and for the people I told you I was managing their accounts, they needed to deposit at least $50,000. I didn't manage small accounts. And yeah, there was not a lot of people, just a bunch of them. Yeah, I took my share, then reinvested in my own account, then simply grow from that. We are already at the AUD NZD, but yeah, you can see here where we entered. So we are already entered at a good price. We moved the stop loss to the entry. We touched the TP1. Now we will ride this chart, and yeah, it doesn't make a sense for me to enter a trade here while I already entered down below, and this is already a better entry. That's why I will not add another trade on the AUD and ZD. Yes, following this strategy only. But for the long term, if you can see here, yeah, you can enter the trade, but we already entered in a better price. Yeah, but my entry is better here than here, if you know what I mean. So for AD also, yeah, it's moving very slow. For USD, we are in drawdown. For this one, also we are in drawdown. This one is barely moved since yesterday, the Euro AUD. This one we are still in profits. This one we are still in profits. For this one, yeah, we are still also in profits, although the price action looks awful, but yeah, we were able to catch a good trade here. For the GBPJPY, I hope the guys in the free Telegram channel have catch this one, because this trade was amazing. Yeah, Shane, I don't think you are in my premium. Yeah, have you catch this GBPJPY trade? NZD CAD looking great. I was scrolling in Instagram yesterday, I believe, and I found that yeah, Alex G also entered this trade. Let me show you Alex G. Yeah, but he entered this trade at yeah, down below here. So we had a better entry than Alex G. He entered, let me show you, 79.62. He entered right here, but you can see where we entered. We entered at 80. So you can see here, this is the Alex G story. Yeah, if you can go to his Instagram, you will find he entered this NZD CAD also. Yeah, and yeah, we had a better entry than him, and we are in good profits, to be honest. So gold is moving a bit. I see gold was at 25, now it's at 28. To be honest, it was a good entry right here, but yeah, we'll wait and see if we can see gold is doing absolutely nothing. Let me show you. Yeah, it's doing absolutely nothing, gold, especially this last 3 days. Yesterday, I don't think, yeah, I entered a trade on gold and was stopped out. I had only one trade. The day before, I think I entered gold 4 times. I had 3 wins, but only TP1, then 1 stop loss. Yeah, you can see here when the markets look like this, gold is not profitable at all, no? But hopefully we catch this, yeah, this sell on BTC. But gold is absolutely doing nothing, and it's normal in December. Yeah, you should know that December isn't that great for trading, but if you can go to our last week, we made 1,500 pips. This week, I think we made 700 or something. So yeah, without me saying that much, you need to know who you are watching. Yeah, for gold, if we entered here, so the stop loss will be here and the TP will be here. Let me see. And it can happen, to be honest. But I don't know. This is not the A plus setup, to be honest. This is only boredom setup, and I don't trade when I'm bored just to trade. But we'll keep looking into gold and see if the price goes down to this level, I will consider taking a trade. If it goes to this level, it will be even better. For Nasdaq, let me see. Friday, Nasdaq, December. Yeah, I think the best trade that we can take is like this, targeting these lows. This will be a good trade because price refused to break this level. We have maybe something like this with 2.5 risk reward, it will look great. Great, happy to see that, Shane. It's my pleasure. So guys can take trades for free and make money for free. Great, great. I didn't trade the prop firms since forever. What do you think are the best firms out there that currently pay and not coming up with BS reasons why you will not get paid? Yeah, hi Magdalena, how are you doing? So I just turned it on. What did I miss? You didn't miss anything. To be honest, I'm looking into taking a trade on Nasdaq here. I will not share it in premium because members in premium doesn't prefer to trade indices, but yeah, I will take a trade right here and see Nasdaq, but I will not use my, so this will look great, I believe, even though we have a high, a lower high, lower high, a lower high, then equal high, then a lower low, lower low, lower low. I believe we are in a good trend on Nasdaq. Healthcare from Roots. I go live daily from Monday to Friday. I don't go live on the weekends. For Rudy, so the best companies you say are FTMO and Funded Next. I don't like the, to be honest, I don't like FTMO because they, I don't like them. I think I was at one time got a payout rejected or something. Then I think their price is too high in compared to other firms. I've only just started FTMO to face challenge. It seemed to be the best option due to the swing trade option, which allows to hold over the weekend, and there isn't a trailing drawdown. Yeah, they offer that. The normal accounts, they don't accept that you keep trades for the weekend. I don't know why, to be honest. That's dumb in my opinion, but yeah, I hope you pass your FTMO. One question, Shane. I know you have this same EMAs that I have here because I already gave you the settings. Have you back tested these and are using these levels to take your trade? So if we touch this red EMA, it will be great, to be honest, to enter something like this one, even though we had a bit worst entry because of this engulfing. uh, but I will keep an eye on it. And for everyone watching, please let me know, where are you watching from? I know Shane is in Australia. Rudy, I believe, yeah, Rudy is in Lebanon. Magdalena, I believe, yeah, she is in Germany, I believe. Schulz, yeah? No, not Germany. Please remind me. And also make sure to like the live stream and subscribe and join my Telegram channel. It's the first link in the description. In Poland, yeah. Because I read Magdalena Schulz, I think you were, yeah, in Germany. Yeah, I didn't share this trade on my Telegram because, yeah, I just say this is only for fun. We are looking good on the premium. And yeah, I usually don't share BTC trades there. So yeah, you can say it like that. It's only for people who join the live. And for Raja, are you already in the premium Telegram? These both trades are only for fun. This BTC I already entered on my account, if you can see here, but for Nasdaq I didn't enter. I just put a position here, and yeah, because to be honest, yeah, if you trade for a whole week, and you know, we started the week good, then we had some losing days. I think Thursday was a losing, yeah, I think Wednesday was a losing day, then Thursday was good, Friday now looks also great. Yeah, I'm a bit exhausted from yeah, from trading. That's why I did only enter this BTC trade. For this one I just put a position here, and yeah, this will be a perfect entry for Nasdaq. Schulz in Germany, yeah, because I was living in Germany for 7 years. Yeah, Schulz is in German. So I hope next week we have good trades for the GPY. I believe the price will yeah, will do a pullback, then we will continue for all the GPY. That's why I love trading the GPY pairs. They are extremely simple to trade, and yeah, don't listen to the gurus that they told you you will never be profitable in trading. Trading is extremely simple, is the easiest and hardest way to make money in my opinion, only because the human emotion, that's, yeah, if you can handle the emotions of trading, you will be great. Because, for example, just let me know, give you an example. You see these yellow circles that I have right here. So this is for, let me, from June. Let's count from June. Yeah, this is the start of June. So look how much entries that you can get on gold. This one too. This one will be a losing one. this one can be a losing one, but you will recover from this one. Then let me zoom in. Then look, this one is a good entry, 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 this one I think, yeah, is a good entry, this one too, this one too, this one don't know, maybe you will move the stop loss to the break even, then you will be stopped out. This one also the same thing. This one is a wonderful entry if you keep your TP open. And yeah, this one is a good entry. This one also is a good entry. This one is a good entry. This one will be a great entry. Let me see. And yeah, if we break this, all three EMAs, so you can get into sales. You can get an entry right here, an entry right here, great entries. This one I don't know if I will take it. This will be a great entry. This one, yeah, maybe it will be a stop loss, no problem. We will have made a lot. Yeah, this one is great. This one is great. This one is great. This one is great too. This one is great. You can see here infinite entries in gold. This one, yeah, maybe we'll take this one, move the stop loss, maybe we'll be stopped out at break even or something. This one is a good entry. Yeah, you can see here dozens and dozens of entry only on gold, using only if the price touches the EMA and you buy after that without waiting for a confirmation or something. That's why I told you trading is extremely easy if you can handle your emotions. So BTC is looking good. Yeah, welcome to the premium. Also, I hope you find it valuable. And yeah, so both BTC and Nasdaq are looking great. So I'm already in the BTC trade, if you can see here. So, and this is, yeah, this, the 19, today is the 19. These are the closed trades of today. And this is of course my account. So gold is not doing anything. And for everyone watching, please make sure to keep your questions coming. Make sure to let me know where you are from, and also, yeah, make sure to subscribe and like the live stream. So for the Nasdaq, we are looking great. If we touch this EMA, the stop loss will be at break even. Always for everyone, you need always to secure your trade. Never leave your trade as it is. Always secure the trade. For example, if we touch this TP1 here, I will simply move the stop loss to the break even. I will not let the greed influence my decision making. And yeah, that's why if we touch the TP and the price goes against us, we will not be losing. And the best thing that you can do is in trading is not winning, is not losing. Healthcare from Roots, just send the message in the Telegram. It's the first link in the description. You will be answered by one of my team. She's Emily. She will answer all your questions. And for the healthcare from Roots, have you found this live stream on YouTube or you came from my Telegram? Also, yeah, I just started this YouTube channel. I just want to know if, yeah, I have only my Telegram's members watching, or we started getting suggested to the audience in YouTube. Please go check this NZD CAD trade on the Alex G Instagram. He's entered here at 62 using 800 lots. So yeah, he entered here. We entered way above. Shane, I think I have noticed is I do have more conviction in my trade entries using the EMAs and the engulfing candle, and also ensure trades are with the trend. Great. This is the reason yeah, we use this fixed EMAs is for confluence, and also these are not your usual EMAs. Look how the price is respecting them. If you can see, when I tell you that the institutions are also using these EMAs, believe me, even if you take only trades on the daily EMA and leave the TP open, for example, let me explain. We don't do anything. We do an alert here on TradingView. When the price touches this EMA, we get an alert. Yeah, we entered like here, for example. We do yeah, a 50 pips stop loss or something like this. Yeah, let's do 50. I will do 50 for all other trades and leave the TP open. So if we entered here, so my opinion is when you get a 2% win, you move the stop loss to the entry. This is my strategy if I would need to take some pro-firm challenge or something. Raja, I will go back to your to your question. Yeah, he's saying as first day in premium group, I was curious about this month performance after checking each and every details for December. Net closed 3,080 pips after minus or loss till this evening. A great performance. Lucky to be here. Are we at 3,080 pips this month? Let me see. I even don't know, to be honest. So we are this week at 700 or something. Last week we were at 1,500, I believe. Yeah, 1,560. The week before, let me see. Let me see quickly. Yeah, at 266 plus 1,560 plus 266 plus 720 something, I'm not sure. Yeah, maybe, I think we are at 2,500, but yeah, we will count these weekly trades together. Just give me a second. I will yeah, bring my Telegram. Sorry, I blurred because I don't want the personal information of people to show up. And yeah, let's go back. So this week started on the 15th. Let me go back to the 15th, and yeah, let's count together. Hi Guri, how are you doing? The 15th. So is there any way to, yeah, 30 plus 100 plus 100. Yeah, 30 plus 100 plus 100. This is 100% in front of your eyes. So 30 plus 100 plus 100 plus 30 of this trade right here, plus another 30 for gold, another 100 for EURUCAD, another 30 plus 30 plus 30 is 90, plus 90 plus 130. So this 30 plus 100 plus 200 plus 30. Yeah, I want everything to show. Yeah, live, plus 200 plus 30 minus this SL hit. We have a stop loss of 70 pips. You time that by 3 because we are opening 3 trades, one for the TP1, the second for the TP2, and the third for TP3. That means minus 210 plus 30 plus another 30 plus another 130, this one plus this one, minus 210 for this one, minus another 210 for the GBPJPY, and plus 30 for the USDJPY, plus here we have 90 plus 90 plus another 30, this one plus another 30, this one, minus 210, plus 30, minus 210, plus 30, plus 130, these two trades that we have here, minus 210 from the stop loss of the AUD-CAD, plus 100, plus 30, minus 210, plus 100. Oh, we are now at, let me see, minus 210, this is for this one, plus 100, plus 30, plus 200, plus 30, plus 100, plus 200, plus another 30 for USD-CAD, this one. So if I click on enter, I will not, yeah, I don't know what will happen. Let me see. Yeah, we are at 750 pips this week. Yeah, looking good. Let's see our BTC position. I think we are still in some small profits. And yeah, for Shane, I think I was speaking about a strategy. Sorry guys, I got caught out. So for Rudy, what are the EMAs that you are using? Plus, please send me a message on Telegram. I will make sure to send you the exact live stream that I showed. I think I showed you the everything, the settings, the time frames, and everything. And where I have this one, this Daxon trade that is my own. Yeah, you can get this one 10 in one different moving average. It's, I think, similar. And yeah, before I did go to explain the why trading is extremely simple, why trading is the easiest way and the hardest way of making money. So let's assume that in all these in all these charts we will be entering a bullish trend, only when the chart is looking like this. We'll be entering a trade when the price touches the daily EMA, which is in pink, this one. And let's assume, let me give you a quick strategy if you want to pass prop firm challenge. And you must need to backtest it before you execute it live, but I will give you a sample. So let's say that the price touches the daily EMA right here. You enter immediately right here. So you put your stop loss to the 50 pips when the price move by 2 RR, that means 2 risk reward ratio. You move your stop loss to the break even, not to the 1%. You move your stop loss to the break even. Then what will happen right here is the price will touch your break even point. Agreed? So this trade is gone. This trade, we didn't make any money on it. You can choose this route of moving the stop loss to the break even after a 2% win, or you can choose that you go out from this trade at 2% and you would have made money right here, and you will be putting the 50 pip stop loss, for example, for this trade. But if you go my route, so which is stop loss at break even when 2%, let's say the price broke here this daily EMA, so we will not be entering, of course, at a red candle like this. So we will be entering at this candle right here, using 50 pips stop loss. And let's say we had 2% right here. Now the stop loss, it is at break even. You wait, you do nothing, then the price moves by 4%, which is at 200. 4%. You take your stop loss, and let me give you an example. This is 2%. So here the price moves by 4%. Now you are making 4%. 4%. You've made 4% in 1, 2, 3 days. 4%. No, for this one we will use a variable stop loss, and we will be having only one TP, and this TP will be open. Don't enter your TP. This is for this exact strategy. You can do, for example, target 2 RR risk reward, but I think this will make more money, but you need to be a more disciplined person. So the price now is at 4%. We didn't close anything. The price, the stop loss was at entry. Now, if we touch the 4%, we move the stop loss to here, to stop loss at 2%. That means if the price yeah, goes against you and price goes down, you are yeah, exiting this trade at 2% win. So then the price moves with, yeah, let me get this one. Now the price moves by 6%, this one. Now all you need to do is, let me get back to this one. If the price moves by 6%, which is at 300 pips, you move the stop loss at 4%. That means if the price goes against you, you will be making 4%. This is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. We are at 4% this, yeah, in 4 days. So the price now is at 4%. If the price, the price already touched 6%. If, for example, it does a pullback right here or something, you will be out at 4%. So that means if you have 100K funded account, you will be making $4,000. Next step. So the price now moves by 8%. And yeah, if you can see, all you need to do is wait for the price to touch the daily EMA, and you need to be patient. All you need to do is to be patient and wait for the price to touch the daily EMA. So now the price is at 4%, at 6%. We move the stop loss to the 4%. Yes, you can use it on the 1 hour time frame, but you know these EMAs are fixed, so you can even use 30 minutes or 15 minutes, but the candles, the 1 hour candles are better. So the price now at 6%, we move the stop loss at 4%. Now let's say the price moved by 8%, that's 400 pips. The price moved by 8%, it touched 8% right here. So we move the stop loss to the 6%. Yeah, the stop loss, the price moved by 8%. Yeah, it touches 8%, then goes up. I don't think we will touch 10%. Let me check. No. So the price will go up for a bit right here. Then you can do a rule for yourself. For example, if I touch 8%, I go out immediately, or you can keep trailing the stop loss. So now the stop loss, your stop loss is hit right now, and you are out with 6% for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. At 12 days, you will be making 6% from one trade. Immediately after touching the 2% win, you will be moving the stop loss to your entry. So no risk, no over trading, no revenge trading, no scalping, no over trading, nothing. I hope you understood this strategy, and I'm waiting for your questions. So we entered right here. I told you, let's try. There is an entry here, an entry here, an entry right here, and this is what we took. We have an entry right here. So let's do the same thing. And yeah, please, I'm waiting for your questions also. So let's say we enter after this hammer, this candle. And yeah, let me remove this and let's check where we put our stop loss. So the entry is here. Let's say we put the stop loss under this week right here. Maybe the price goes and test it again. So this one is at 160, 196, I believe 197. Let's say 197. 197. This is 197. So at 68, let's give it 10 pips breathing room. So let's do 80 pips. 80 pips. The TP2 will be, yeah, this is at 2%. We moved now the stop loss at entry. The stop loss is here at entry. Now we touched the 2%. We had the gap right here. The price, I believe, it will get triggered once it arrives here. So at 2%, the price is at entry. Then at 4%, that's 3,200. Yeah, the stop loss will be at 2%. At 3,200. So we are now at 4%. We moved the stop loss at 2%. Then at 2%, yeah, we touched the 4%. We will need to touch the 6%. The 6% is, I believe, 40. No, this is, yeah, the 5%, the 6% will be 4,800, I believe. Yeah, this is the 6%. So we touch now the 6%. We move the stop loss to the 4% level. Now our stop loss is at 4%. Now after that, the price moves like this. Let me take a 0. Now the price is at 8%. The stop loss is at 6%. And yeah, then the stop loss will be here. The price will touch 8%. It will play a bit, then touch your stop loss, which will be at 6%. And yeah, I hope you get what I mean. And yeah, if you can, yeah, if you want, you can go back and back test this strategy. It will do wonders. Let me know if you guys have any questions. So let's check. We are at 2,100 opened. Yeah, I told you, Gori, I will think about it. I didn't think about it yet, but yeah, I will make sure to think about it. Maybe I will use this strategy that I explained to you, or another one. I don't know, but I want to, yeah, if I will be creating a prop firm group, which I discussed with you yesterday, it will be of course paid. It will not be free. And also I need to make sure that, for example, we do a strategy like this, a long-term strategy. Yeah, I told you. Yeah, for Shane, I will read out loud your question. Do you think the Australian stop loss strategy will be emotionally challenging, knowing I have 8% locked in? To see it drop to 6% will seem like it could have the wrong effect emotionally. That's why I told you this is the easiest and the simplest strategy in the world, and you just need to be emotionless. Look, I will give you an advice that I give to all my friends. If you want to make it in trading, you need you need to forget about the money. This is the absolute truth. You need to trade like you have $100 million in your account and you just playing. For CK, I don't know, bro. I told you I will think about it. I told you yesterday, you and Corey, I will think about it. Maybe, yeah, I will create a group for people wanting, to pass prop firms. I will make it free for my premium group for the first, let's say, 2 weeks. Then I will make sure to add a paywall. I've heard a loss has doubled the emotional damage as compared to a win. Even though the trade is great and up 6%, the trader may still get a negative effect on this. In trading, you will not, you don't need to have neither a negative or a positive effect. You go into a chart, you see, you take a trade, you go. No emotions. Absolutely no emotions. That's why I told you, if you want to be profitable with trading, you need to trade like you have $100 million in your account, because you will not care. Do you update each and every trade in your premium group if it touches stop loss or TP? This is from Guri. Guri, you are already in my premium, I think, or not? And of course, I update everything. I just did go over all the premium trades that we had this week, and we counted we counted, I think, we counted the 700 pips. Yeah, you can go back in the time from YouTube. Just you are seeing the live right like this. You go back and you will see the premium group. Or you can wait until I done with this live stream and go back and see the trades of this week. Okay. And for everyone, you are in Canada, I believe, and to be in my group, you simply need to trade with my sponsor broker. So I can offer 5 brokers. I think VT Markets, that's the one that I'm using. Kudo Trade is also great. Axie, Bullwaves, and Star Trader. We have 5 brokers because we have people from all over the world. For example, VT Markets doesn't work in Singapore and is Australia, I believe. That's why we offer Australians, Kudo, and Bullwaves. Star Trader is also not working in Australia. Then you send me a message and on Telegram, and Emily will explain everything to you. And for everyone watching, I think we are still at 0 likes for this live stream. Please make sure to like the live stream, as I gave you the best strategy that you can use without hiding anything. The problem is you can't redeposit. You need a fresh account, and so you already used VT, so it's burnt for you. You need to use another one. Kudo is great. You can go and check their reviews online. So please make sure to send Emily a message to create your account. Yeah, Shane, make sure to go and backtest this strategy. It will be great. For BTC, we are still at entry. For Nasdaq, let's see. Yeah, we are still at entry. And yeah, if you guys still interested in this strategy, let's say, yeah, you see a chart like this, you forget about this strategy that I told you right now. Gold has already gone up. Yeah, we were seeing gold at 25, now it's at 34. I was thinking about entering a trade, I believe right here, but yeah, all right here or something. But I told you guys that I'm a bit tired from trading this week. That's why, yeah, I was waiting for gold to go down to this level right here to take a trade. Already said that, yeah, but it didn't came back. So I think we were seeing gold right here, something like here. It didn't go back, so we didn't take a trade on gold. So I told you, for example, you open a chart and you see this. Let's go to the 1 hour. So this for now is looking good. For example, you can take a trade here, and in the same strategy that I gave you, you can take a trade right here also, right now. So but if you open a chart and see, for example, this is also good. This here will be stopped out on this. You need to re-enter. Of course, this is not 100% win rate strategy. You will be stopped out sometimes. Any update on gold? Do you have any active BTC in the premium? No, I've entered this trade only on the live stream. Yeah, I didn't share that in the premium. So like I told you, you will be stopped out right here. You need to wait, see price retest in this 4-hour EMA, then re-enter. Let's see UD NZD. This is a different strategy. I think if you see a chart like this for multiple months and you see that it doesn't touch anything, you need simply to change. For example, this one, we have the 100, you can make it in 70 or something, because every chart respect some kind of EMA, if you know what I mean. Not every chart respect exactly the 100 EMA. Some charts respect the 75 EMA, some charts respect the 95 EMAs. You need to only change your settings, or for example, when we have this push right here to the upside, you enter after touching the green one, but the most profitable one is the pink one, the daily. So if you want, just ignore this chart and go to another chart. Here we have a position, here you have a position, two positions, but here we have another position here on the 4-hour EMA. This is also strong. Here another position too. For this one, this is an awful chart. Just delete it if you can see this and you want to trade that strategy. This one also, if you can be patient, there is these things you can use it, but we have plenty of charts that we can use. Yeah, there is an entry right here. There is an entry here, entry here, entry here, entry here. You can either target the 2% directly if you can see the chart is touching the daily EMA a lot, or you can do the trailing stop loss that I told you. There is a good entry right here. So for the CHF JPY, you see that CHF is respecting the 4-hour EMA because the trend is a lot stronger than the GBPJPY. You see how many trades, and here the trend was stronger than now, and it was only touching the green one, the 1-hour EMA. So you need to use your brain to decide which charts to look into, which trade to take, and also make sure you don't overtrade and don't go into all these charts at once and touch your daily drawdown in the same day. So this one, forget about it. This one is looking good too. It can give us one entry per month or something like that. For this one also, you see the NZD is respecting the 4-hour EMA, you see. So here a stop loss, of course, and then you don't enter. For EURUSD, maybe there is an entry right here, and this is everything. GBPUSD doesn't respect this EMA a lot, to be honest. GBPCAD also, it can respect these EMAs in sometimes, but yeah, for now the movement of this chart doesn't respect these EMAs, but back then it was respecting it a bit. Rudy, but we need the daily EMA. Of course you need the daily EMA for our and every EMA that we have right here. This one is amazing. Of the GBP/CHF, we had an amazing entry right here, although I think we would have touched the stop loss earlier. Let me see. Let's say we enter after this candle. Let's see where we will do our stop loss. It will be above these guys here, so simply a bit above it. So 35, let's round it to 40 to be extremely cautious. So this is the 2%. We moved the stop loss to the entry. Let's see when we will be getting the 4. Yeah, we are now at 2%. Yeah, the 4% is at 120. This is 3%. Let me get, yeah, this is the 2%. The stop loss will be here. Stop loss at 2%. Let's go to the 4%. So the 4% will be touched here. So we move now the stop loss to the 2%. Then the stop loss, we have it here. Then we go to the 6%, but we need, yeah, the stop loss at 4%. We are now at 4%. The stop loss is at 2%. If we go to the 6%, the stop loss will be at 4%. When we will be touching the 6% here. So we touch the 6% here. The stop loss it is at 4%, of course. Yeah, we will be out by 4%, but it will take a lot from August to October, 2 months. Yeah, just gave you an example because the CHF, GBP CHF doesn't move that. Yeah. And there is also one other thing you can, for example, when you see yourself at 8%, you can simply close a part of your trade. You can close 2%, you can close 3% to make your payout. If the trade is taking more than 2 weeks, you can you can take a small percent of your profits and leave the trade there. And if you want, you can take the whole trade out and make a good payout. So I hope this has helped you. And yeah, what do you think? Do you think I should end the stream or continue? Yeah. Continue explaining to you or looking into a chart or something, because I see the chat is a bit quiet, so no questions coming in. Do you guys have any questions? And please make sure to like the live stream and also subscribe. I'm starting to feel a bit hungry, so I think I will sign off. Just let me know if you have any questions regarding these, this live stream, these past week trades, the Telegram channel, which is the first link in the description, the premium. Let me know if you have any questions about it. So if you guys have no questions left, yeah, I can see another entry that we can take today. It's Friday, it's time to rest. Thank you so much for being in this live with me. Thank you so much, and let's meet on Monday, because I live stream Monday to Friday. And yeah, if you have any questions, or want access to my premium Telegram or my free Telegram, the first link in the description. Thank you so much, and yeah, let's meet